My name is Michael Stoffman, and I am a neurosurgeon at University of Buffalo Neurosurgery. My expertise is related to spine surgery and specifically minimally invasive spinal surgery. The main objective of Atlas Surgery Center is to create a center where we can perform technologically advanced surgeries for patients in Western New York and optimize their outcomes so that patients feel better and return to their lives as quickly as possible. One of the very first patients that I did operate on at the surgery center was a woman who had severe spinal stenosis and pinching of the nerves, and we unpinched her nerves. She was walking within a half an hour of completing her surgery. She said she hadn't felt that good in 10 years. The collaborative efforts that occur between different members of our department within neurosurgery are incredible. We review cases, we're always there together. So if someone has a question or wants to run a case by one of their colleagues, everyone is available. And I think this is all just about doing the right thing for patients and making people feel better. Although surgery is scary, I'm confident that they are going to come out of this on the other side and they are going to be okay. And I believe we've really assembled the best team to help everyone feel really comfortable.